check out this 2009 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck SR5. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, auxiliary audio input, brake assist, bucket seats, child safety locks, engine immobilizer and keyless entry. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.